Hi everyone, my name is Federica Vinci and I'm the president of Volt Italia. With this video, I want to address all Volt Europa, all European voters, all European citizens, basically all of us. We are living in a time of an unprecedented global health crisis. Not national, not European, global. Yet, it seems to me that we have never been so blindly nationalistic as we are being now. But let me start from our situation here. As of today, Italy has more than 10,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus, of which more than 640 deaths. True, there are much less cases in the rest of Europe, but there is no reason to think that cases will not increase, especially if countries around Europe keep underestimating this risk. People can be stopped at borders. Diseases can't. First of all, this is not a simple flu. The virality of the COVID-19 could be same as flu, but 25% of all infected cases have systematically been hospitalized in intensive care units. This is putting our healthcare system so much under stress that we do not have any more hospital beds. And I'm not talking about the most remote regions in Italy. I'm talking about Emilia-Romagna and Lombardia, which are among the richest regions in Italy and with the best health system in the entire continent. Nurses can't manage all the patients and doctors are having to make the worst choice that they will ever make in their entire career. Whom to admit into the hospital and whom to left behind based on the simple patient's survival chances. This means that if you're old, sick, and your chances of survival are relatively low, you will not be admitted into the hospital and you will not be cured. Now, I'm not telling you this because I want to spread useless panic, but I want you to be consciously concerned and behave accordingly. We underestimated the virus at the time of its outbreak. We stopped every flight from and to China, but we allowed people coming through stopovers to get into our country, spreading the disease. We then decided to close up entire provinces and then the whole region of Lombardy, but this was obviously not enough. Since 2 days ago, our entire country has been locked down. And it will be locked down until April the 3rd. Since yesterday, people will only be allowed to move for emergencies, health reasons or work issues. Universities and schools will be closed until April the 3rd. Cinemas, theaters, gyms and every kind of public assemblies have been shut down, while bars and restaurants have to deal with a 6 p.m. curfew. This outbreak is undermining our economy and it might push it to the brink of a recession. As you can see, this is not a joke. This is not flu. But most of all, this is not an Italian problem. People in Paris, Brussels, Berlin, heads of state and government are acting as if it was flu. Going to the bars, cinemas, pubs, going to work while smart working could actually be a thing. I mean, Macron even went to the theater last Saturday saying that despite coronavirus, we shouldn't give up our own social habits. You guys are making the exact same mistakes that brought our country to the brink of collapse. It was Milan 2 weeks ago. It's our entire country today. It might be the entire continent tomorrow. We are Europeans. For better and for worse, we know no borders. But so do diseases. How long will it take until we all realize it? So let's be united in this. Stay home, wash your hands frequently, keep 1 meter distance from each other, avoid contact with elderly people, and sneeze and cough in your elbow. We are stronger when we are united. Let's be stronger even now, together.